Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Welcome to our colorful journey. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of colors, exploring how they influence our lives and emotions. From the calming blues to the fiery reds, each color has a unique story to tell. As we embark on this visual voyage, we'll uncover the psychological impacts of colors and their meanings in our everyday lives. Why do we feel a certain way when we see a specific color? How do colors shape our perceptions, moods, and decisions? Join us as we explore these fascinating questions and more. Let's begin our journey into understanding why colors are so impactful. But first, what exactly are colors? Imagine you're standing in a garden. You see the blue sky, green leaves, and bright red flowers. But have you ever wondered what makes these colors? It's all about light. Light comes from sources like the sun or a lamp. This light travels to us in waves. Now, these waves are not all the same. Some are long and some are short. When light hits an object, the object absorbs some of these waves and reflects others. The colors we see are the waves that are reflected. For example, a blue flower reflects blue light waves and absorbs the others. Our eyes play a huge role in this process. Inside our eyes, we have something called cones. These cones help us see colors. They react differently to various light waves, allowing us to see a wide range of colors. So every color we see is a result of how our eyes interpret light. Now, why do we have favorite colors? It's a question that might seem simple at first, but there's actually a lot more to it than you might think. When we pick a favorite color, various factors like personal experiences, culture, and natural preferences come into play. Imagine a child who grows up in a house where the kitchen is painted a bright yellow. Every day, this child might eat their breakfast under the warm, sunny walls, starting their day with a burst of cheer. As years pass, yellow might not just be a color to them. It might feel like a hug from their childhood. This shows how personal experiences can deeply influence our color preferences. On the other hand, cultural factors also play a significant role. In some cultures, red is seen as a color of luck and celebration, often worn at weddings and festive events. Someone raised in such a culture might find themselves drawn to red, associating it with joy and good fortune. Then there are natural preferences. Some of us might find ourselves drawn to blue, not because of any particular personal or cultural reason, but simply because it's soothing to look at. Blue might remind us of the calm of the ocean or the vastness of the sky. So, as we see, our favorite colors are not just about what looks good. They are a complex tapestry of our life stories, cultural heritage, and instinctive leanings. Our favorite colors often reflect parts of our personality and life experiences. Let me share with you my favorite color, green. Green is the color of life and new beginnings. It is everywhere you look in nature, from the soft, fresh grass under your feet to the leaves that rustle gently in the trees above. When I see green, I think of the earth waking up in the spring, pushing new life out of the cold ground and reaching up to the warm sun. This color is deeply connected to growth and renewal. Think about a garden in the early days of spring. Each plant brims with vibrant green, signaling health and vitality. This is why green is often used in places like hospitals and schools. It promotes a sense of restfulness and well-being. Moreover, green is a very calming color. It's the hue of the quiet, mossy corners of a forest, where you can sit and listen to the gentle sounds of nature. It's the backdrop of peaceful countryside landscapes, where the only movement is the swaying of tree branches in a soft breeze. Green also represents safety. In many cultures, green means go. It's a signal to proceed, to move forward. This color encourages us to keep going, to continue growing and learning. Green brings me peace and makes me think of the quiet beauty of a forest. But why do I feel so drawn to green? Imagine stepping into a lush garden where the soft whispers of leaves create a melody of calm. This is where my love for green begins. The color green surrounds us in nature. It's the color of grass under our feet, the leaves above our heads, and the hills that roll into the distance. Green has a calming effect, much like a deep breath of fresh air in the middle of a busy day. It brings a sense of peace and tranquility that soothes the mind and refreshes the soul. Green is not just about relaxation, it's also a symbol of new beginnings. Think of the first shoots of plants sprouting up from the earth, signaling the start of spring, a season of renewal and growth. This symbolism extends to many areas of life, representing a fresh start or a new chapter. The color green inspires me to embrace change and growth in my own life, encouraging me to look forward with hope and optimism. Moreover, green is a staple in many of my favorite places. Parks, gardens, and forest trails are often painted in countless shades of this color. Each visit to these green spaces feels like stepping into a vibrant painting, alive and dynamic. In essence, green intertwines with my life's most peaceful and revitalizing moments. It's a constant reminder that growth and renewal are just around the corner. For me, green is not just a color, it's a reminder of tranquility and renewal. Choosing a favorite color might seem simple, but it holds deeper meanings. When we talk about favorite colors, we often think about what we see and like. However, the colors we love can tell a lot about us. For instance, someone who loves blue might value peace and calm, while a lover of red might be full of energy and passion. Let's dive a bit deeper. Colors are not just about what is pleasing to the eye. They connect deeply with our emotions and can influence our mood. Imagine a room painted in soft lavender. It might make you feel relaxed and peaceful. On the other hand, a room painted in bright orange might make you feel excited and full of energy. Now think about your own favorite color. What does it say about your personality? Does it reflect your love for nature, your passion for creativity, or maybe your calm demeanor? It's fascinating how a simple preference in color can reveal so much about our inner selves. Moreover, understanding the significance of our favorite colors can help us make choices that enhance our lives. Whether it's choosing the color of your car, the paint for your bedroom, or even the clothes you wear, these choices can be guided by the colors that resonate with you the most. So what's your favorite color and why? It might tell you more about yourself than you realize. Today we explored the vibrant world of colors and their personal significance. We delved into what colors mean, how they affect our moods, and why we may favor one over others. Specifically, we discussed why green stands out as a favorite for some, including its calming presence and its association with nature. Colors are more than just visual elements. They are deeply tied to our emotions and our very identities. Remember, every color has a story, and each one of us has a color that tells ours. Thank you for joining me on this colorful journey.
Let's learn new words and practice English with the topic, my favorite color at level A1. Blue. Blue, a color that is often associated with depth and stability. It symbolizes trust, loyalty, wisdom, confidence, intelligence, faith, and truth. Example, my favorite color is blue because it reminds me of the ocean and the sky. Red. Red, a very strong color that can signify both positive and negative things like love, energy, power, strength, as well as war, danger, and anger. Example, I love red because it's bright and makes me feel energetic. Green. Green, the color of nature. It symbolizes growth, harmony, freshness, and fertility. Example, green is my favorite color because it makes me think of spring and new beginnings. Yellow. Yellow, a bright and cheerful color that symbolizes happiness, positivity, energy, and enlightenment. Example, yellow is my favorite color because it's cheerful and it always brightens up my day. Purple. Purple, a color often associated with royalty, nobility, luxury, power, and ambition. It also represents meanings of wealth, extravagance, creativity, wisdom, dignity, grandeur, devotion, peace, pride, mystery, independence, and magic. Example, I like purple because it's a rich and vibrant color that makes me feel like royalty.